Hello again. Another unboxing. I just had a delivery from Flavourly. I don't know if that's my subscribe and save or the beer club. Anyway, I think it's the subscribe and save. But anyway, I opened the door and this was sitting at the doorstep. I never heard a knock at the door. But this is a local brewery to me. That's a video stopped, just finished rendering. Winton Brewery. They're local, the brewery's in Dunbar. And they have some fantastic beers. The names. So this one. So it's all in the vernacular, colloquial Scots. So that's Barry Swally. So Barry is more an Edinburgh term, it means good, great. And swally is drink, or to swallow. But if you're having a swally, you're having some drink. So that's Barry Swally. Next one. Peely Wally. And that means, like, if you're all white, you're like wan and pale and you're all peely wally. Before you've got a tan, you can always tell Scottish folk on the beach. They're the ones that are almost blue, they're that white. And this one, Oyabasa, if you're familiar with any Billy Connolly's material. Oyabasa. It's, instead of swearing, you can say that, you can curse with that. And this one, morning, it's like a challenge, morning, come on then, morning, making change happen. So I've had the Barry Swally, and I think I've had the Peely Wally. I'm not sure, I don't think I've had that, I've not had that. Oh, you can't. I'm playing words. I'll let you work it out yourself, that one. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Taps off. As soon as the sun makes an appearance in Scotland, it's taps off. It's more a Glaswegian West Coast thing. Take your top off, take your shirt off, taps off. Oh, it's taps off weather. I just like the way they do that. Oh, I think this is a glass. It is indeed. I think I might have ordered that to make up the pre-postage or something like that. Anyway, it's a nice wee glass. Winton Brewery. Oh, it's got the thing at the bottom, the markings. I can't remember what you call it now. I'll put that in. And a couple of bottles. It's well packaged. Let's have a wee look to see. This is Winton Brewery Old Fashioned. I don't know if they've written that on themselves. I suspect not. I think that's part of the design. So an old-fashioned beer, I think it. And this one, you know what it is? It's blank. It's blank labels, and they have. So Imperial Stout. Stout is stout, as you may have guessed. And I can't really read that without my glasses. It looks beautiful, that. Look at the nice, clean, shiny bottles. Ingredients: barley water, yeast, hops. Best before 8/21, before end. Serve chilled. Bottle 234 of 250. Oh, so that's a limited edition. ABV 10%. Oh my goodness gracious. So that's an old-fashioned. The best before the end of August again, and it's bottle 213 of 250. Served chilled. Bar of water, yeast, hops. I've not got any ABV, but I'm going to try and guess that when I'm drinking it. I've probably no idea how to do that, but that's a nice wee haul, isn't it? They're not the cheapest because you're paying for it's craft beer. You've got overheads and things like that, but they're local to me. They're East Lothian. The brewery's in Dunbar, and they've got a wee pub, the station yard, that I've never been in. You have to book a table at the moment anyway because of COVID, but it looks like a great wee place, so I'll try and frequent that. And on to the next one. I'm pleased with that. So this is from Flavourly. I took out a subscription for they've got two. They've got a beer club, and they've also got a subscribe and save. But I never knew what the difference was. The subscribe and save is you get a regular package of beer at a decent price, but it'll be repeating, kind of be some of the old favourites, and you might get more than one. And whereas a beer club is you're getting different beers all the time to try new things. So I'll see. I might keep both. I'll see. I mean, I'll get a couple of months, and then we'll see what's what. So I've got a wee packing note, just a list of what we've got. I'll read that later. Oh, and have we got a wee magazine, the Flavourly magazine? We do indeed. I love the wee magazines. Flavourly is fairly new to me. I had never heard of them. Apparently they do advertise, but I didn't watch TV, so they're new to me, but they're in Edinburgh, which is local to me. Anyway, first one. Oh, Tempest Brewing, that's local. That's S-Bank, Dalkeith. And that's just a lager, a modern Helles, a German style lager. And that's 4.1%. Looking forward to that. Next one. Galaxy Pale. I've got this one on my list. I've got one of these already. That is from Galaxy, I think. Oh no, Freedom Brewery is that. Is it a series they're doing, or is there a theme, or let me see. In partnership with Flavourly. Yeah, so it's Galaxy Hops. It's the Liberty series. Galaxy Hops takes centre stage in the single hop pale ale. Distinct tropical aromas of citrus, peach and passion fruit transport you to a faraway world. Now, passion fruit's mentioned all the time in beer reviews by people. I can't say I've ever tasted or smelled passion fruit. Maybe it's because I'm in parochial and I live out in the sticks. Well, it's fairly rural. But I've never had it. I'll have to try and source it somewhere. So, yeah, it's Freedom Brewery, Staffordshire. So it's Galaxy Pale, single hop pale ale. I'm really looking forward to that. Snacks! Love Corn. I've had that before. Very nice. That is a smoked barbecue. So, digging down deep now. Tempest Brewing again, excellent. Vermont Sessions. So Vermont is that New England IPA, I would think. Yeah, 4.6 hazy session IPA. Oh yes. Next, Tempest Brewing again. Fantastic. Long White Cloud. 5.4% 8% New Zealand Extra Pale. Now I think one of the brewers there was brewing in New Zealand. I don't know if they're actually from New Zealand, but they're in Scotland now, aren't they? Another one from Tempest. This is fantastic. Brave New World, a 7% ABV West Coast IPA. Oh yeah. I'm loving the variety of styles. 5 Points Brewing Company. They're London, are they? Hackney in London, yeah. 5 Points Brewing Company, London Brew, 5 Points Jupa, a juicy pale ale. A juicy pale ale with bold, refreshing flavours of pineapple and mango. Oh yeah. Penultimate. I've got this one already. It's Freedom Session IPA, Freedom Brewery, Citrus Tropical Session IPA, and they are in Staffordshire. Have I got one for Freedom Brewery already? I do indeed. That one. So I've got those already, but I've not tried them yet. I'm really looking forward to it. Finally, we have another one from Tempest. I feel like I've won the lottery here. I've hit the jackpot with these. Tempest Brewing Company, Pale Armadillo, a 3.8% Session IPA. Oh yeah. I just love the artwork. I love that they make the effort to do that. Again, they could just have a plain white can with the writing on it, but no, they make the effort. So that's a nice wee box as well, actually. Great beer, Flavourly, always open. So that's another great wee haul. I'm at 2, 4, 6, 8. And I'm thinking, I think that was maybe 20 quid, 19.95, something like that. Which I think, I mean, that Tempest, if you go into their website, it's not cheap. Can you only pay what you get for? And again, it's no, they're not cheating you. It's value for money, I think, but it's not cheap. It's expensive. So to get 4 or 6 of their beers, 5 of their beers, is really excellent value for money. So, oh yeah. I'm now going to do a review once I've sorted things up. I've got a video to put up. But here's my next one. Look at that compensation on the can. Utopian Brewing from and Bristol Beer Factory. It's a collaboration. Paradise Circus and Alt Beer. Oh yeah. There is a lot of condescension on that can. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Hopefully. Ta-ta for now.